I wasn't gonna do it, but let me show you. Look at this day. Let's go running.
All right. So Saturday morning,
Saturday morning.
going for our run.
So we can have fun?
This is the face pre-run. Let's see what it looks like after.
Let's go. 1 mile in. 2 miles in. It's getting hot. Blech. It's getting hot in Florida, y'all. Sure am feeling good though. Either that, I'm just ready to eat. I think I got another one in me. 4 miles. That's a wrap. I mean, look at that. Look at that. We did it.
Wasn't pretty. It's ugly now. We did it.
Woo. You look great.